Hey, come.
Itu kan nung, itu kan ayat planting mau.
If you speak in English also, it's okay.
Lên môi nè, boleh lên môi nè.
Cooking shop and my dear friends, my name is Pintu Pegu, and today in this beautiful afternoon, I am coming here for awareness purposes. Okay. Today I have a mission. Also you can call it as a hobby. I have a hobby in plantation. Hobby in planting trees and giving free tuitions whenever I get time. Actually, every day I plant saplings without a single day gap. And today I am very happy to see you all. Actually, I am not a fluent speaker. I have no any experience in speaking in front of a public. But still then, if we see the scenario of the earth, it is really a matter of burning topic. But education is increasing day by day, we feel. Previously, 10, 20 years, 30 years back, there was no such good institution, educational institution in this area. And today, we are very lucky to see such type of good institution. But one thing you have, whether you are aware or not, actually I am aware with the environment. Actually many people, most of the people are not aware with the environment. See, one thing you have to know very clearly, you know about global warming, you have heard? So you are also writing essays on global warming, is it? So at least you know something about global warming. But do you know, today, the school colleges cannot give a topic to write about global warming. Global warming has gone. It is really, I have no such words to express in front of you all.
Burning.
It is really global burning. It is not global warming. Era of global boiling has gone. Era of global warming has gone. But today's era is era of global
burning.
boiling. Global warming to go, Letia. Global boiling hoya আছে. Last year, United Nations has declared about this era of global boiling, end of global warming and era of global boiling. I am repeating again and again. Don't feel irritation about it. But we people do not know about it. See, today the weather is gloomy, that is not matter, but it feels like we are in June and July. Actually, we are in on the month of what? Now it is April, is it? But it feels like we are in June and July. See the heat wave. And today after I think few days, 15 to 20 days, after 15 to 20 days, I think your school timetable will be going to change. Is it? Why? What is the reason behind it? Because of heat wave. Hot. Is it? So, how do we solve that problem then? It is really a great problem. How can we get away from that heat? What is our solution? Are you thinking, what should we do? How many plants since you have planted since today? None of you. But if I ask you a question, how many cakes you have cut on your birthdays? Every year you are cutting cakes, but you are not planting trees. People are cutting trees day by day. You are not stopping. That means we are not aware about that. It has reached, last year it has reached up to 45 degree. Almost it has reached to, today I think it is going to reach up to 50 degree. And after 50 degree, no living thing can exist on this earth. So, we are coming to school just to learn something, this and that. We are making projects for space. We are thinking for space, this and that. But we are not thinking about the earth. Is it? What is your aim in life? If I ask you, you will say, I want to become a doctor. I want to become engineer. I want to become scientist. I want to become politicians. But no one is going to say, I want to become a nature lover. Because these things are not taught in the school, college, whatever it is taught. So you have to be conscious about it. You have to be conscious about it. You have to love trees. You have to love the earth. Before loving the space. Before going to the planning to go to moon, you have to explore the earth, explore the condition of the earth. Otherwise, we are not going to live here anymore. Is it? So I am not going to actually, I think मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बोल दिया, लेकिन फिर भी आप लोग को थोड़ा सा aware होना है. Aware होगो लगी बोले. At least on your birthdays, practice planting trees. Is it? No doubt you have to cut cake, this and that, birthday party, whatever you call, but you have to at least plant trees. See, oxygen level has gone down. Even fertility of the soil has gone. We are using artificial fertilizers. Therefore, throughout the world, you will not get even a single market where we get good food. We are eating junk food day by day. Is it? Can you can you name any one market where we get good food? No. So you have to think for that also. Only coming to school, reading this and that and going home will not work. And this area is really very backward. Previously there were no roadways. Is it? We have to walk through Thokwakhana and we have to come back. So now it has developed, no doubt. But now you are the piece to develop this area more and more. So I am requesting you to study well, be a nature lover, plant trees, save nature. You have to save water also, everything. Okay? So from today onwards, at least once in a year, if I can plant daily, then you can also do at least once a year. Is it? So with this, I conclude my speech, and I thank Principal Madam and teaching staff for giving me this opportunity to organize this event. And now we will go for plantation, and I request Principal Madam to say something about environment so that they will aware.
Yes.
I think you have said enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't think I need to repeat more. But yes, just brother needs to say something. So for us, if we want to have long life, okay, so we better first save the nature, and the nature will save us. Okay, save the nature. Like every June, 5th or 6th of June.
The 5th of June.
Yes, we used to plant trees, flowers, but because of the rainwater and all, so only few trees can stand, can erect, but most of the trees in the plants, because of the water here, it has gone. So this year also we are going to do the same. So and then yes, like what I said before, if we want to live long life, if we want to have fresh air, so first we should save the nature by planting more trees and try to avoid cutting down trees. You are the future, okay? You are the future. Why I'm saying future? You are going to grow up into a big man, okay, into a man, into a woman. So you are going to be the future who will plant trees right from now and save the nature, and the nature will save you.
That's true.
So what have we learned in the science? It means nature give us everything, right? Nature give us oxygen, water, right? Everything we get from nature. We should love nature, we should respect nature, and the very important thing Sir Fingu has mentioned, in every day all of you celebrate your birthday once in a year, right? All of you. So from today, right? From today at least you try to plant a tree in your birthday, right? How much tree you can plant? At least one tree you should try to plant in your birthday. Okay, so this is the thing you should remember. This is very, very important, and we should always, we should love nature, right? Nature give us everything. So that's, thank you sir, thank you madam for giving the opportunity to me.
Okay, let's just give just one clap for sir for coming here. Thank you so much. So just come there. This sir will plant these two trees there. Yes, come.
Tokol amor ke khan tuma.
বলো বলো কাপড় সিঙ্গে মাল আছে
It has lots of antioxidant properties.
So let this tree grow here. The roots deep down, and it will grow and protect us.
Madam,
This one also.
তো কার যদি যাও কাবিল মাই লিখতো
thank you all, okay? Thank you.